Hello everyone. In this video, we'll discuss about markers for Azure Maps Visual in Power BI. This feature is available in Power BI Desktop January 2026 update. Now let me switch for the demo. First, I will add a Azure map from the Power BI Visual Gallery. So let me increase the height, the map. And now I'll go to the data model, and from the order table, I will add a country as a location. And now for the size, I will add a total order quantity. Now I'll go to the formatting option. In the formatting, you will see the option called markers. Just expand this, and here let me select all, and here you can see the two option in marker types, icons and the image. Let me select the image. If you have a image URL, you can directly paste it here. And if your image URL is stored in the somewhere table, you can also do the conditional formatting from here. So basically I'm going to talk about the marker. So I'll select icon, and after that, if you expand here, you can see the different kind of icon, predefined different kind of the icon. So here I will select a truck. So you can see the truck in all the location, all the country. And you can also use a rotation of your icon. So for example, let me do the rotation. So now you can see the truck is downwards. You can see all the trucks in the downwards. Similarly, you can, for example, we have for all the country, we have a truck icon. And if you want to select a different icon for different country, for example, let me select United States, and let me change the icon to a car. So here you can see the icon as a car. So the country wise or the category wise, you can also change the icons. This is all about the marker for Azure Maps Visual. That's all for this video, and I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.